Okay, simple interest. The simple interest formula is I equals P RT over 100. So suppose that the money you put in the bank was £500, the rate of interest was 3%, and you left it there for 4 years. How much interest would you get? So I is equal to P RT over 100. So the principal is 500, the R is 3, and T is 4 over 100. The 100 cancels. 5 times 3 is 15, so it's 15 times 4, which is £60. Okay, so we've got £120 in the bank. The rate of interest is 2% and it's 18 months. So always write down the formula. I equals P RT over 100. The principal is 120. The rate of interest is 2 and the time is 18 months. But the formula requires that to be in years. So we could write 18 and then we're going to put a 12 underneath. That will turn that into years, and of course the formula's got 100. Okay, now we can cancel. 6 into there goes 3 times, 6 into there goes 2, 2 into 2 goes 2, 2 into 2 goes 2. So on the top we've got 3 times 120, which is 360, and on the bottom we've got 100. So the amount of interest would be £3.60. Right here, we get £15 in interest. The rate of interest is 3%. The money is in for 2 years. How much money did we invest in the first place? So write down the basic formula. I equals P RT over 100. Now you can rearrange the formula. I'm going to put the numbers in the formula as they come. So I is 15. Is equal to P, which we'll have as X. R is 3, so I'll put a bracket for 3. And I'll put for 2 over 100. I'm going to multiply both sides by 100, so we should get 1500 is equal to 6x. Do a complete swap, so 6x is equal to 1500. So x is equal to 1500 divided by 6. 6 and a 15 goes 2, that's 12. 3 left over. 6 and a 30 goes 50. 6 and a 0 goes 0. So the answer is, the principal would have been, the answer to go in here is going to be £250. Okay. We're now going to try and work out what the rate of interest is. Now I've just invented these figures, so they may not be very realistic. So let's suppose, write down the basic formula first. I equals P RT over 100. Now I say you can rearrange the formula. We'll rearrange the formula this time. So multiply both sides by 100. So we'll get 100I is equal to P RT. Do a complete swap. So P RT equals 100I. We just want R. So R is equal to 100I. And the PT goes underneath. So the PT goes underneath. So we're going to have 100 times 24 divided by the principal, which is 400, times the years, which is 3.5 years, so we can put that as 3.5 possibly. Okay, we can cancel the 100, we'll cancel. which is 4, and the 4 will cancel into the 24. 4 and a 4 goes 4, 4 and a 24 goes 6. So we've now got 6 over 3.5. So it's 6 over, so the rate R is equal to 6 over 3.5. We'll go over to the next page. Okay, now I haven't got a calculator. What can we do without a calculator? So I can multiply the top by 10 to make 60, and the bottom by 10 to make 35. I can cancel by 5. 5 into there goes 7. 5 into there goes 12. So we've got 12 over 7. So we could do it as a decimal, 12.000 divided by 7. 7 into 12 goes 1 point with 5 left over. 7 into 50 goes 7, which is 7 7 to 49, 1 left over. 7 into 10 goes 1 with 3 left over. 7 into 30 goes 4, it goes on a wee bit, never mind. So we'll say it's 1.71 to 1, bigger pardon, to 2 decimal places. So the rate of interest, the rate of interest is 1.71%. Okay.